Hello children. Let us resume our session on determiners. First of all, a quick recap. What are determiners? Determiners are words that fix or determine a noun in a sentence. They are placed before a noun and not after it. In our previous class, we discussed that determiners can be broadly classified into 6 types, that is, articles, possessives, demonstratives, numerals, ordinals, and quantifiers. We also discussed articles, demonstratives, and a part of quantifiers. In today's class, we will resume determiners by discussing at length possessives, numerals, ordinals, and distributives. So let's move on. First of all, we discuss the numbers. Now, numbers, students, they are of two types, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers is a simple numeric form, that is 1, 2, 3, so on. And ordinal numbers are the positions, the first, second, third, etc. Cardinal numbers, they indicate the quantity, that is how much or how many, and ordinal numbers indicate the rank or order. The first girl in the class is very intelligent. This is the first time for me on a plane. Next we have distributives. Distributives come under quantifiers, but because there are many distributives, we will discuss about these words and their peculiar usage in sentences. Distributives are words like all, both, half, each, every, either, and neither. Some examples of the word all and its usage. The distributive all is used with uncountable noun. For example, Don Bradman is the greatest batsman of all time. All is also used with the definite article the plus an uncountable noun. It is also used with a countable noun in plural form. For example, we have all the time in the world. Most commonly, students, you speak such sentences in your day-to-day lives. That is, I am busy all the time. I am studying all the time. I have no time to do any other work. Similarly, all can be used as all the people in the hall went quiet. Then all can also be used with possessives plus an uncountable noun or else a countable noun in plural form. All my life I have been waiting for this moment. Sometimes you would have noticed our elders discuss with us, all my life I have done a lot of struggle to reach this position. Right? Some more examples. All your friends have been invited to the party. The word all can also be used with demonstratives. Remember, we discussed there are 4 demonstratives: this, that, these, those. This and that is used in combination with uncountable noun, and these and those can be used in combination with countable noun in plural form. Again, a very interesting example from your day-to-day lives is when your mom tells you, look at all this dust in your room. I am sure almost all of you would have come across such a sentence. Look at all this dust in your room. And then what do you reply to your mom? Mom, I do not have time for all these activities. I am too busy with my work. So this is how all can be used in a combination of demonstratives plus countable or uncountable noun. Then we have the distributive both. Both, of course, refers to two of the things which we are talking about in a sentence. Both the dogs have passed away. Both my ankles have been hurting since I jumped from the balcony. Both these books must be returned within the week. Again, if you notice, you see both and a combination of definite article plus noun, both and a combination of possessive and a noun, both and a combination of distributive and a noun. Next we have half. Half is followed by indefinite article a plus uncountable noun. For example, we bought half a kilo of rice. Half is also used with definite article when we want to be particular about something. Half is also used with possessives and demonstratives followed by a noun. Some of the examples are half the village perished. We are talking about a particular village, we are being specific, so we use the definite article the plus half before the because we are talking about half of that particular village. I spent half my inheritance on traveling the world. In your life, you may say, half my time has gone in discussion. I spend half my time in studying and studying endlessly. You may have half this cake, only half those points are relevant. Next, we have possessives. Possessives are prizely possessions. Am I right? We all love to possess things and we all love to use possessives for things we possess. See how much pride you take when you say, "This is my dress. This is my house. She is my best friend." So, when referring to a noun that belongs to someone or something, we use possessives and they are used to show ownership. Possessive pronouns include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, where is your car? The dog growled and showed its teeth. My best friend is a cat. Which one is his house? Honesty is her best quality. The tree shed its leaves. It's our secret recipe. Look at this. Last two sentences. The tree shed its leaves and it's our secret recipe. Well, we will also discuss this small secret. In the second last sentence, it's has not taken an apostrophe, whereas in the last sentence, there is an apostrophe. What does it mean? Possessives never take an apostrophe. They are always independent words in themselves. As in the second last sentence, the tree shed its leaves. This is a word in itself. It is not a combination of it plus is. So there is no apostrophe that we are putting here. Whereas in the last sentence, if you expand it, you will get it is our secret recipe. So it's with an apostrophe is a contraction of it plus is and it becomes its. So now just ask yourself today When we write the subscription of a letter, what do we write? Yours truly, yours sincerely. So there should yours have an apostrophe before S or not? This is a question you are going to ask yourselves based on this study. Also, please revise all the determiners and attempt the assignment worksheet plus the homework worksheet given to you and enjoy having fun with determiners. Small but interesting words in English language. Have a good day. Happy learning!